Everyone, welcome back to our second round of Google Classroom training. Today we are going to discuss how to grade an assignment that a student has submitted through Google Classroom. So here we go. If you click on your Google Chrome application and then go to your Google Classroom, I've bookmarked my Classroom site here, which I definitely recommend doing. It'll open up your Google Classroom. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've reactivated an older class that we had last year. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this classroom for literacy. And you can see here is my name as well as the name of Mr. Toro, my co-teacher for this class. So we both had access to not only view assignments students submitted, but also create assignments students submitted. So it's really great, especially in a co-teaching model. So here's the most recent assignment they had to submit through Google Classroom, and it was spelling words and sentences. For this assignment, I created the assignment, but I also attached a Google document from my Google Drive, just to give them a updated spelling list that focused on prefixes this particular week. So here we have the amount of students that completed it and the amount of students that did not complete it. So to look at the work that the students completed, we would simply click on the Done list, and then it'll show you the list of the students. Now again, this assignment was already graded and submitted, but we can show you here. Now normally this grade field would be 0 out of 100, and of course you can change the point values for each individual assignment as you please. So I'm going to click on, let's see, Charlie's assignment. Now when I click on his assignment, it tells me when I returned it. It was returned to him on June 3rd, 11:19 p.m. That's when I was grading the assignment. And then you can see the submission history. This is when he completed it. Charlie was up late that night doing his homework. Interesting, always fun information to know. So that's a good information to have. Then this area right here is the link that will take you directly to the Google document that Charlie created in order to type his sentences that contains his spelling words. So if we click on that, it's going to open up a new tab, and this is the document that Charlie created. Now Charlie, in order to complete this assignment, he had to create a Google Doc, and he did that right from the assignment page in Google Classroom. So the student only had to go to Google Classroom and then created the document right there. He did not have to go to Google Docs and then log into that and then create a new a document from there. He just did it right from Google Classroom, which is the beautiful thing about it. So here are his sentences. So I can read the sentences. I can actually make comments on this Google Doc right on the doc. So for example, I can highlight this word. I like how we use that. I'm going to click on comment. We can make a comment here, and I could say something like, I like how you used this word in this sentence. And then click comment. And the kids really like seeing this when they open up their work. It's just nice that to let them know that you appreciate the work they did. Also, if there's a mistake, you can highlight that as well. And it gives you, as the teacher, you're able to edit any part of this document. You can also click editing, or you could do suggesting. For example, if I wanted to say maybe my friend is bilingual because he speaks Spanish at home. So there. That was a suggestion that I made. You could replace this with that to add a little bit more detail to that sentence. So just to give the kids a little bit more feedback. And then once you're done with that, it automatically saves. So you can click on the X to exit that tab. And then you would go back and grade the assignment. And then once you grade the assignment, you can click on Return, and it'll send the assignment back to that student so then they can view the work. So that is how you view and grade assignments in Google Classroom. Hope you enjoyed watching.